Hi guys, today we will learn how to configure queue in Laravel 5. So first of all, why we use a queue? Because we are using a queue because don't take a time to load. Like when we are sending an email, then it take a time. It's depend on your email driver, like Gmail or Mailgun and etc. So if you use a queue in Laravel, then it is better. So here is a right tutorial about how to use queue in Laravel 5. So we will do it the same thing in video tutorials. So we will just follow a few steps and create a email sending with a queue. So first of all, we will create. First of all, we will download Laravel 5.6. So here I already downloaded, and it is here. Okay, so first of all, we will create a email using a command. So first of all, I will copy from here and go in my terminal, and I will paste here. Okay, I created a mail. So let me check on the app, and here is a mail. Okay, it is already created here. A send mail test.php file, and also here is a view defined. So we will give a path of an email, like what you want to send in an email. So I will create emails is a folder, and then next is a test. Okay. So what I have to do in the next step, I have to do an email folder here and then test.bled file. So first of all, I will create a new folder, emails. Okay, then I have to create a test.bled file on the email folder. So test.bled.php file. Okay, then I will simply copy the content of email that we are sending here. Okay, simply I copy and paste it on test.bled file. Here is the strong tag is over. Okay, that's it for email configuration. Okay, in the next step, we have to configure email driver like you if you want to use a Gmail or a Mailgun or etc. So here we are using a Gmail driver. So I have to just setting like host name. You can go on .env file. Okay, just simply here I will change setting. Okay, and also change the port 587. I already put on website about Gmail configuration. Over there I have to add my Gmail account, and also I have to add a password here. So first of all, encryption. Okay, then next I will use my own Gmail configuration and password. That's simply username, and also here is my password. Okay, simply I added here. So configuration is done. Okay, now we are going to add a configuration about the queue. There are many drivers available for queue like Redis and database and synchronize etc. So in this tutorial we will use a database. So we can define it here like queue driver. Right now default is a synchronize. We will use a database. Okay. In the next step, we have to use queue table. We have to generate a new table about a queue. So I have to just run the command and migration is created. Okay, now migration is already created. Okay, you can see here. Yes, now it is created. Okay, everything is working now. Okay, we have to just run that migration. So after PHP artisan migrate, so I have one error. First of all, we have to configure a database. Yeah. So I have already created demo2 database with a claim. So I'll just configure it here. Demo2 and username is root and password is also root. Okay, then run command again. PHP artisan. Oh my god. Okay, I have again error because it is something long. Okay, I will just remove unique. I will remove that again from here. So, okay, now simply remove unique from here. Okay, and also remove index from here. Okay, then run again migration. Yes, now it is created. Okay, you can see here uses table and also jobs table. Jobs table is about our queue. Okay, in the next step, we have to create a queue job. So first of all, we will run this command on our projects. Okay, it is already after the run command, it will create a new job here. Send email test.php. Here is the job. Okay, now we have to update that class so you can add from here. Okay, I will just copy that code and add that. Okay, I added that. Okay, now what I write here, I just get detail from this page and I here send email from here. Okay, so in the next we will use how to send email using a job. So I simply created a new route. So I just copy and add on route file. Okay, I will just simply add. Okay, here is a details variable. I have to add email that I want to send email. So I will just add right now my email address. Okay, I added my email address, and then in the next line I call our jobs, and then I simply write a message is done. Okay, in the next step I have to start queue listen command. So I will write that here. Okay, now it will be listen simply, and now I am going to run PHP artisan frame. Okay. In the next here, I already given a path for running a command, running a test example. Okay, it's a quick. Okay, let's see. It will come here again. I think here is a message is a quick available, but mail is not sent because it is in queue. Yes, now it is, and you can also see here. Okay, if you can see here, it's processing. So I get here a mail and it's here. So as you can see, now you can see how we can configure. Thank you.